Are we going to see a big run-up for BBIG before the Tyde dividend date? So this is a big question because a lot of people have a target for the price, because we're gonna talk about the Tyde dividend date, or what is that, and we're gonna discuss the price action for BBIG for this spin-off for the dividends. And we're gonna discuss it right now, because here, if you don't know, we actually talking about is Tyde, which is the incoming crypto acquisition, will be launching on Wall Street under the ticker symbol TYDE. And BBIG want to dedicate crypto acquisition to its own body. Thus, the incumbent spin-off Tyde will be separately traded entity from BBIG, allowing it to own a dedicated board and stock and roadmap. So this will be a huge actually. But if we go in the chart first, we can see the price right now is trading around the $2.54. As we said it before, we're gonna see a buying pressure near this box. We have the price went down here because we have a lot of people panic selling, and the price bought back and rest above our box, as we expect it to happen realistically, because we always talk about realistically. However, the moment that we broke here, we did the video last week, we said a warning sign, because this is a sign of weakness the moment that we close below the $3 and the price went down. So right now we have a gravitation, and it's still the price holding strong above our support, which is the $2.45. So what we should expect right now, even before the news, before the spin-off, or before everything, before even the acquisition, we need to hold our support here to be like closer to the squeeze area. This time will be the 3. This will be ignition for the price to go higher again, which is around the $3.13. Before, it's actually around the $3.80 after we did double top. We said it. We have the squeeze area here after we confirmed that we are on ascending channel, and we said as long we hold this ascending line, we are in bullish trend, and the squeeze will happen as soon as we broke from this triangle. You see what happened? We broke it, unfortunately, from below, and we didn't hold our support around the $3.13. So next time we need one signal. The first signal is holding the $2.45. Then what we're gonna see, the price will surge eventually, because the short seller have to cover, and we're gonna see the price go here. We're gonna see a test for the $3.13. Realistically, okay, I know you want the price to go to 15, 20, I know, but realistically, the price have to test some resistance before it go higher. So the $3.13 would be a massive resistance testing. The next time, again, if we overcome it, we're gonna see the price go test again the $3.80, and this is the second signal, the strongest one. If we clear it, we're gonna see a massive squeeze to see the $4.58, then the $5. This will be the for the price squeeze. Last week we have the utilization for the short interest was 100%. So this was a crazy movement, and you can see it from the 33.28, then the 39, then 133, then went to 100. So this is kind of just like a scenario setting for big avalanche, and a big tsunami is coming for BBIG, and a lot of people waiting patiently about the another squeeze for BBIG. And that's why the price right now, like the volatility, you see the volume right now is just 13 million, is a bit low for BBIG, because we saw 100, 200 and 300 for BBIG. However, right now 13 million, so the volume is dropping significantly because we still around this support. So what we're gonna expect right now, holding above the $2.45 until we accumulate. What does mean? The price will be bought by insider, and buying, then the price will outweigh the selling pressure that we have. Then we have more pressure, buying pressure more than selling pressure. Simple, the price will go up. Okay, so it's the same in physics. If you have more power or energy from below, the rocket will go higher and offset the gravity that actually outweighs the rocket down. So if you have more energy drive or pressure drive something from below, for this example, the rocket will go up. And try to just think what's happening in a trading, because it's mass psychology, people buying and selling. You make it simpler and you actually make sense of the chaos and make sense of this the madness that happened in the market, and a big shooting down or up. Make sense of it so you never be emotional and never losing money, and you don't have wishful thinking. Here we don't have wishful thinking because we trade and hunt with insiders. We buy around the support, we sell around the resistance. If you want to do that, or at least be in the green for this year, join us in Patreon and Discord and TradingView community as well, if you want alert for a lot of stocks and coin as well for crypto. So without further ado, hopefully that was informative, and see you in the next update.